So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Logan, and today we are going to talk about a proper strategy of English as well as computer science. So let's get started. Actually, I was not going to record this video because the mic is not with me. पर क्या है ना कि आज सारा दिन कुछ काम नहीं हुआ क्योंकि पावर ऑफ था और मेरा जो भी काम होता है कोडिंग वोडिंग का सारे तो कंप्यूटर में ही होता है, इसलिए कुछ काम तो हुआ नहीं। इसलिए सोचा कि रात को ही कुछ काम कर लिया जाए, इसलिए ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड अभी मैं कर रहा हूँ। और लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द कंप्यूटर साइंस फर्स्ट। And in my case it was C++ and in your case it's Python, but whatever the language is, the strategy remains the same. In our school there was a facility that they used to give us study materials where they were ready-made notes. But if you're in your school, if there is no study material, what you have to do is you have to make running notes while your teacher is explaining and go through those notes and understand the concept. And after understanding the concept, you have to buy a previous 10 years book of Aryan publications and then solve the previous year questions. Your work for the theory paper is done. And for the practical exam, what you have to do is whatever your teacher is explaining or your teacher is giving the questions to you to solve during your practical classes or theory classes, just do those in your machine or in your computer. Your work for the practical exam is also done. Now let's come to the English part. For English, what you need to do at first is increase your writing speed, because English paper comes very easy but it comes a bit lengthy. So students face a major problem in finishing the paper. So you need to increase your writing speed. Now how you are going to increase your writing speed? सारे दिन English paper लेके बैठ जाओगे? नहीं. Whenever you are writing something, suppose you are writing notes for chemistry or solving a sum, try to solve it fast as possible. Okay, in this way you can increase your writing speed. And the second point is whenever your teacher is explaining any chapter, write it point wise. You know what CBSE actually searches in your answer? It searches a key point, the main answer. तो क्या आंसर पॉइंट्स में लिखोगे? No, you need to write it in paragraph, but you need to include that key point in your answer. So write the whole chapter in points, like first this happened, then this happened, then this happened. And whenever your teacher is explaining some chapters, she or he will ask you to underline some important lines. Do underline those important lines because those lines comes as a reference to context questions. And do write those explanations, like who said to whom, why did he say it, etc, etc. When she's telling you the explanation, write those explanations in a copy. Okay, write them properly. And after going to home and before going to bed, go through those notes, those points, and go through this explanation. Your work for the literature part is done. Okay, and now comes the writing part. For the writing part, I will suggest you buy a question bank. In this case, I will suggest you all-in-one of Aryan, because I have found many good questions of writing in that book. So buy all-in-one and at least solve 2 to 3 questions in a week. I don't think it's a very big deal for you, because just 2 to 3 questions, guys. यार किसी भी एक दिन या तो 3 कर लो, या फिर किसी भी 3 दिनों में एक कर लो. बहुत इजी यार. कितना टाइम लगेगा? मैक्सिमम आधा घंटा, अगर बहुत स्लो हो. एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू टू इंक्रीज योर राइटिंग स्पीड. सो आई थिंक मैक्सिमम 10 से 15 मिनट लगना चाहिए तुमको, क्योंकि उतना ही टाइम मिलेगा एग्जाम टाइम में. ओके, सो आई थिंक प्लीज ट्राई टू सॉल्व एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ राइटिंग. और इधर से भी तुम्हारा स्पीड बढ़ेगा, ठीक है ना? तो 2 से 3 तो करना ही है बॉस, ठीक है ना? एंड आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो एंड गुड बाय.